Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Fast Orange Permatex Pumice Lotion Heavy Duty Hand Cleaner. It has the natural citrus scent and it's a waterless cleaner for mechanics, strong grease fighter, and it comes in various sizes. Now it's received 4.8 out of 5 stars. It has over 11,000 ratings on Amazon and over 3,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Are you tired of grease, oil, and grime clinging to your hands no matter how hard you scrub? Well, say hello to Fast Orange Permatex Pumice Lotion, the heavy-duty hand cleaner that gets the job done without the harsh chemicals. Whether you're a mechanic, a DIYer, or just someone who works with their hands, sometimes regular soap just won't cut it. But Fast Orange will. It's infused with fine pumice, so it scrubs away the toughest messes while natural citrus oils leave your hands feeling fresh. There's no petroleum, no residue, no overpowering chemical smells. So stop wasting your time on these weak soaps constantly scrubbing and scrubbing with very poor results. Get the job done right the first time. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.